Affiliate marketing tips.
No matter what you may have heard about affiliate marketing, it's impossible for everyone to make $5,000 to $10,000 a month, as there is simply too much competition. There is also no money that will fall into your hands without you doing anything for it. With that in mind, you'll find some high-level tips below that will help you make money with affiliate marketing programs on the internet. 1. Google and Overture. Even though the days of free traffic aren't completely over, they are surely fading away quickly. You can choose to work hard creating web pages that score well in the search engines, although it's very hard to do. By paying for clicks with Google and Overture, you'll have the top 3 positions on the search engines that matter the most. If you hope to generate web traffic from Yahoo, all you need to do is be at the top of Google. 2. Your own email list. Sending offers to your very own email list is the ideal way to build freedom and residual income. Instead of sending traffic away then hoping for the best, you should instead have your own email list to which you are able to send multiple offers. 3. Your own affiliate program. If you knew that each filled-out form on your site generated 0.50 cent in revenue, would you still be willing to pay someone else 25 cents to generate that same traffic? The most overlooked ways of generating traffic is having others generate it for you. There are many advantages to this method, including the fact that others will be getting your traffic for you. When it all comes down to it, everything involves paying for traffic in one way or another. To make more income, you'll need to invest very wisely in advertising.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.